Hey everyone, it's Vidhi and welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I click my pictures at home. वैसे भी quarantine चल रहा है, कुछ खास है नहीं हमारे पास करने को, so I thought why not click some amazing pictures for the Instagram and take your Instagram to the next level. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get into the video. For the first picture, I want those beautiful sky pictures जो अभी बहुत trend में है. यहाँ पर मैंने एक stool लिया है and I'm gonna stand on this and take these beautiful pictures from lower angle so that you can cover all the sky. Also, you can be creative and try to do something different, like you can use dupatta. So here are the final pictures and I loved it. For the next picture, I'm using these white curtains जिस पे बहुत ही अच्छा सा डिज़ाइन बना हुआ है. You can use any dupatta or different chunnis. So after so many trials, here are the final pictures and they turned out pretty amazing. For the last picture, I created this beautiful arrangement inspired by Pinterest. I saw these very beautiful images on Pinterest, very dreamy setup, and so I thought of creating one. It's not exactly same, but yeah, it turned out pretty good. So this is the place before setup. I have used this white bed sheet to cover the background. You can also use white curtains if you have, or white dupatta. Now I'm going to take 3 dupatta, preferably white, and tie them all with a rubber band. You can also use different color combination. Now take another rubber band and join them. एंड देन मैंने उसे होल्डर पे सेट कर दिया है. सो दिस इज़ व्हाट माय सेटअप लुक्स लाइक. अब मैं यहाँ पे चुन्नी को सेफ्टी पिन से सेटअप कर दूँगी सो दैट ये कैनोपी का लुक क्रिएट करे. नाउ ऐड सम फेरी लाइट्स, पिलोज एंड ब्लैंकेट एंड इट्स डन. Look how the pretty setup is. Now I'm going to sit and click some pictures. So that's pretty much. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Also, let me know in the comment section below that what video you want me to film next, and if this video was helpful, make sure you hit like and also subscribe to my channel and click on the little bell icon so that every time I upload a new video you will get a notification, and I'll see you next time. Bye. I remember here.